In the quiet highlands of East Africa, a tiny forager moves with deliberate precision, the streaky seed eater. A small finch of open woodlands and mountain edges, it survives by mastering one essential skill: finding food wherever it hides. Watch closely. What appears destructive is actually strategy. The bird plucks a delicate flower, probing for nectar, a quick burst of energy before discarding the petals. Efficiency is everything when your world runs on calories measured in droplets. But nectar is only part of the story. With a short, conical bill built for crushing, the seed eater turns to tougher rewards. It grips a dry pod, pries it open, and extracts the tiny seeds within. Seeds form the backbone of its diet, supplemented by fruits and even small insects when opportunity allows. Each movement is calculated. Feed quickly, stay alert. In these open landscapes, hesitation can mean exposure. Often solitary or moving in small family groups, the streaky seed eater shifts across habitats in search of reliable feeding grounds, a reminder that even the smallest birds must constantly adapt to survive. Here, survival is not about strength, but precision. And in every flower discarded and every pod unlocked, this modest finch reveals a simple truth of the wild. Life favors the resourceful.